What's up, you guys? Have you been wanting to know how to do lash clusters? If so, then this is the video for you. I am all about the You Cool Me Lash brand. I will have that linked in my bio. It is in my TikTok shop in my showcase. If you guys are interested, you can watch all my videos about the You Cool Me clusters there because that is my favorite brand. I've never tried this brand, but we're going to try it out today. And I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and make a video and teach everybody how to apply these lashes because I get so many questions on these lashes, you guys, or on how to apply lashes, you guys. So we're about to try this brand together today. So as you can see, it comes with everything. Such cute packaging, right? And it comes with the tweezers. It comes with the lash and bond. And it comes with the remover. So this is the remover, lash and bond, tweezers. And look at these lashes. These look so super cute. I was like, I really want to try these. So we gonna try them. Okay, y'all. So I got them out the package. And look at this. Look at how cute these are. By the way, don't mind my nails, okay? I gotta do this hand. Normally, I will go in with a 16 first or an 18 sometimes, but I kind of wanted to do these a little shorter. So I think I'm going to go in with a 14 first, and I'm going to make sure I link the lash map right here for you guys or somewhere on the screen. Okay, so first you're going to go with, I can't talk, y'all. You're going to want to go in with the lash bond, and this is what the Vice Beauty Lash Bond wand looks like. This is also what the You Cool Me one looks like as well. I absolutely love these. So first you're going to go and apply. I like to start from the outer corner and move to the inner corner. Some people like to start from the inner corner, move to the outer corner. It's all in your preference, so I'm just going to do it the way I do it, okay? So I apply it at the base. You don't need to apply it all the way to the top of the lash, just at the base of the lash. Just like that. And you can go across the whole lash, but I don't like doing that because I feel like it dries too quickly. I be taking my time grabbing my lash and stuff, so it has time to get a little tacky. And it doesn't take this lash glue long at all to get tacky. Like, it's so cool. So I'm going to go in with the 14. And you're always going to want to pull at the base, okay? Never pull from the top of the lash. You will break it off that way. You're going to want to go in from the base and pull it up just like that. And if you want to be a little more secure, you can go in and put some of the bond on the lash band itself. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. I'm going to be taking this set off purposely in like 2 days because I need to do another lash video. So for that case, I'm not going to go in with too much glue. You're not going to want to put it on the lash line, you guys. You're going to want to put it on the lashes themselves. So, right there. So, you're going to want to slightly overlap your lashes, you guys. So, I'm going to go in right here. Now, I'm going to go in with 3/12. Very slightly overlapping. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this 10. Yeep. And then I like to push it up with the end of the tweezers. And look how cute that is. Y'all, I absolutely love it. And you see my eyes aren't even red. Perfect. Now we're going to go in with the seal, and we're going to take this little poofy thing, and we're going to pat it all on the bottom. Just like so. It's super easy. These lashes are super easy to apply, you guys. Just like that. Some people even take this and put it in the tweezers, like rub it in the tweezers and then squish. You can do that. I never done that. Maybe my lashes will last longer if I done that. You know what? We gonna do that because my lashes be lasting up to 2 weeks. So who knows how much longer they'll last if I actually did it right. Anyway, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna squish these down. I don't know if I'm gonna want to take these off in 2 days, you guys. I really like the way they look. Now the real test is if they're waterproof. I have to have waterproof lashes, y'all. I'm a Cancer. My ass will cry over anything. Whether it doesn't matter whether I'm mad, sad, whatever. Y'all look at these. So cute. I absolutely love these. Let's do the other side. Okay, so I went ahead and started to apply the lash glue on this side. You're gonna make sure you put it at the base, like I said earlier. And we're gonna go a little bit farther on the lash with the glue this time. We're gonna go to about like right in the middle. Okay, and you don't need to brush it all the way up the lash, just good enough. All right, so. Ooh, I about messed up, y'all. I grabbed it from the wrong side. I was like, this is about to look weird until I realized there's 2 different sides for it. Y'all, can you imagine how funky my lashes was about to actually look? And then I would have been like, oh, I don't like these lashes. Until I would have realized that I done them wrong. And I'm over here trying to get this to stick back. Oh my God, why was that so difficult? So it has a whole nother side. That way the wings go the opposite side. You don't want both your wings to be going this way. That would have been hilarious, you guys. Oh my God. So we're going to go in with the 14 like we done on this side. See, it's going this way. That's what we want. Was about to look crazy, y'all. Okay, you guys, so my tweezers got sticky, so you're gonna want to take a rag and you're gonna want to make sure it's wet and you wipe the tweezers in between, because once you put the bond or get any sealant on these tweezers, they're gonna start sticking and it's gonna make the application so much harder. Okay guys, so this is what they look like. So super cute. Now I'm gonna go in with the lash seal and we're gonna do what everybody else be doing. I'm gonna try it out. You're gonna take the lash seal and you're gonna get it all in the tweezers. That way you can get it on the top and the bottom so you get a good sealant. So you're gonna go like this. And you're only gonna want to squeeze at the base. I'm gonna get some more for the other lash. Now, when we're done with this, these tweezers are gonna be super, super, super sticky. So you're gonna make sure you wanna clean them before the next application. All right, so super cute. I absolutely love these lashes, you guys. They are absolutely adorable. So super cute. Alright, if you guys like this tutorial, please let me know down in the comments and let me know what you guys would like to see more of. Love you guys. Bye.